Welcome back to the lesson Network Security. In this video, let us learn cyber security, firewall, cookies, and cyber ethics. Cyber security. Cybersecurity is a collection of technologies, processes, and practices designed to protect networks, computers, programs, and data from attack, damage, or unauthorized access. It includes the use of antivirus. Antivirus is a computer program that is designed to identify, prevent, and remove viruses from a computer. It performs the following tasks in a computer. Scans computer files to look for known viruses from virus dictionary. Identifies suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. Scans incoming emails which might contain virus in the attachment. Some popular antivirus software in use nowadays are as follows: McAfee AVG Antivirus, QuickHeal, Microsoft Security Essentials, Symantec Norton Antivirus. Features of antivirus software: full system scans. These type of scans are needed when you install antivirus software for the first time or recently you have updated your antivirus software. This ensures that there is no hidden viruses present in your system. Custom scan. It helps you to scan your system as per your requirements. Virus definitions. Antivirus software depends on the virus definitions to identify malware. That is the reason you get regular updates on the new virus definitions. Actions taken by antivirus. Antivirus software takes 3 types of actions whenever a virus is found. These are: repair it. The identified virus gets removed from the infected file. This is the best option usually. Delete it. The infected file gets deleted along with the virus. This option is used if virus cannot be separated from the data file. Quarantine it. When the antivirus program is not sure whether the file is infected or not, it separates out the file so that the virus does not spread. It is called quarantining. Firewalls. Firewall is a security system that protects your computer by preventing unauthorized users from gaining access to it through network or internet. It can either be hardware or software or a combination of both. It is implemented on the gateway of a network and follows a specific set of rules defined by the user or the network administrator. Based on these rules, it controls the incoming and outgoing network traffic. Cookies. A cookie is a text message given to a web browser by a web server. The web browser saves this user-specified data in a text file. This file is called a cookie. This file is later used by the browser to prepare customized web pages. A user is not required to fill the stored information every time he purchases goods online. Cookies are otherwise safe documents which can be deleted anytime, but they can produce harmful consequences if read by an unauthorized person. Hackers can use cookies to gain access to the user's sensitive information, which can be misused to commit further crimes. It is advised to delete the cookies periodically so as to avoid any kind of privacy threats, especially when working on public computers. Ethical rules for the computer users. Some of the rules that the individuals should follow while using a computer are listed here. Do not use computer to harm other users. Do not use computers to steal others' information. You should respect the privacy of other people. Do not access files without the permission of the owner. Do not copy copyrighted software without the author's permission. Always respect copyright laws and policies. Respect the privacy of others just as you expect the same from others. Always use polite language in discussion forums and emails. Do not use others' computer resources without their permission. Use internet ethically. Always visit only those websites which are appropriate to your age. Complain about illegal communication and activities to law enforcement authorities.